discussion. Assistant Professor Scamperle was actually trying to comment very generally and agreed with the thesis that against the expectations that the secularization is going to get rid of religion and that religion is going to diminish in some sense as far as its importance is concerned, the opposite is happening. That means that we have in the postmodern, in modern times, more religion, but there is another kind of religion, another kind of religiosity, and at the same time, this weakening of institutional religions is happening also with the science and with the scientific worldview. Professor Potočnik was asking himself the question, why Beck why should Beck write actually a book on religion, because he was a well-known sociologist in other subjects. So his answer was that the studying of religion is actually studying the most basic problems and questions and issues of humanity, that in a certain sense it's not a partial study, but it's a study which concerns, in some sense, universal themes. It was also actually a process that he observed also in his sociological research, that we have a long process of believers who are more and more believers according to subjective choice. It means we have some detachment from objective religiosity, objective religious institutions, in favor and actually developing in the individual dimension of religiosity. It was also the question which was put forward, what about the atheism today? Because we know that atheism in some sense wants to be neutral, but as a matter of fact it's also one way of looking at the world. It has, generally speaking, some religious characteristics. And Professor Žalec was trying to put forward, if I may say so, more existential dimension. The objective stance is actually not coming close enough to the original phenomenon of religion, because the pure objectivity of sociology cannot actually tackle the real problem of what's going on within religion. In that sense, I would say the whole affection that you put forward is in some sense related to that. There was also a question about religion in media world, in the world which is dictated by the media